Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be really excited. Why? Because I finally ordered this most beautiful watch organizer from Amazon just for 350 rupees. Instead of keeping my watches in different drawers, in different boxes, I wanted one place to organize them all. Wow! The first impression is really premium of this organizer. I love the soft cushions and the transparent glass because I can easily see all my watches. So let's explore my watches from oldest to the most newest. Fast Track is where my watch collections really begin. I actually own four of them, but these both are my latest. Both these watches have been with me through so many years and so many memories I have with them. Fast Track watches, they never go out of style, so I just love to wear them for my daily wears and for normal coffee or some outing. All these types of watches are very chic type and they are very easy to carry. They could look stylish as well as they could look modern and match with today's vibe. Any one of you, if you are just trying to start your watch collection, then Fast Track will be the ones with whom you could start your watch collection. These both can come around for 5,000, each one of them for 2.5 or 3K maybe. With Fast Track, you could get modern designs, then modern concepts without spending much. So, big thumbs up for Fast Track and you could definitely give a try to begin your watch collection with. The next one which I won is a Titan by Raga. Titan is such a brand which always gives you such a stylish and elegant look. This will be always my go-to watch for college, for formal wear with saris, for coat and for whatnot. So this is my go-to watch always. The range for Titan Raga watch, it could be around 5 and 6.5K. So good choice. Another one from Fast Track. This one, the Fast Track in black, it is mainly used by me for daily routine. I basically use it for steps, to put an eye on notifications, or on certain days when I try to do some exercise. At that time, such kind of watches are really, really very handy and very chic and so stylish. And black is the color, so perfect. Such black type of fast track watches would be around in the range of 2200 to 2500. Good choice. The another one is from Helix Timex. It is so pretty, so elegant, and it is having these wide golden chic bands which make it even more prettier. And such types of watches we could get around 5K to 4K in that range. And I use this particular Helix watch a lot on saris, on formal wears, and also on jeans and tops. It looks really very, very good. So good choice if you are going with Helix as well. Here comes the next, my Casio. This is my latest purchase, and if you are wanting some timeless designs, then Casio is your choice. Such types of watches could be for 5 and 6,000 in that range. So it is very, very lightweight. Whichever watches I am wearing, the most lightweighted, and it is so timeless, so elegant, and it looks really perfect on these types of dress and also on t-shirt, jeans, and modern western dresses. This really goes really, really well. So good choice. And finally, the most latest, most premium, and the watch of my dream, it could be what? It is Armani Guy. So I own one and look, it has totally, completely different design from the rest. So here it is. This watch is the most expensive one which I own now, and most favorite. It was my dream watch to have. So here I got 30,000 and it looks really, really beautiful. See that diamonds, no comparison, no comparison. So I hope you like my watch collections. Which watch you like the most? Please do comment below and like, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video was fun. Bye.